to all the consumers, there's no need to panic and there's no need to hoard kasi meron po tayong enough supply ng pagkain. Kami po we coordinate with the supermarkets and also with the manufacturers, and they have assured us din po that there is enough supply. Even the Department of Agriculture has also reiterated na meron po tayong enough supply. So huwag tayo mag-panic and huwag tayo mag-hoard. And we must keep on just watching for the update. And for the basic necessities and prime commodities, wala po tayong price increase dito up to April 16. They can go to the different supermarkets and groceries to check the list. And also sa website ng DTI and also sa social media ng DTI. So, ang importante po is to all the consumers, let's have that list para alam rin natin kung magkano talaga ang presyo nitong mga product na sakop ng basic necessities and prime commodities. So, again, we will continue to monitor, we will continue to enforce. In the entire country po, we have offices and we have people that do this on a daily basis. So, rest assured, nandito po ang DTI para to make sure that we get stable prices of food. And for those that see irregularities, pwede rin po kayo mag-contact sa amin sa 1-384 or pwede rin sa report to sec@dti.gov.ph.
Okay,
Thank you.